cold. Frosty cold. And I'm so bossy. And I so saucy. And my clothes cost me clothes. Life for the party. Always get it started. And I so bossy. And I so.
Hey y'all, so we're currently cooking some pasta. We got our cream, strawberry. We're gonna take a shot. So
we do not condone this for anybody underage.
You under 21?
Don't drink.
Don't drink. We're 21.
We're over 21.
So yeah, but we're not
over 21. I'm 21.
So we're gonna take a shot. So,
first shot in Miami.
Yeah.
It's been too long, but okay. Here we go. And yes, we got a chaser because.
Yeah. Normally we don't do chasers, but we don't got that much. We don't got that much food in our system right now, and your girl not trying to throw up. So yeah.
It ain't that type of night.
Nope. But yeah. So we'll talk to y'all when we're done cooking.
Oh, and we cooking pasta. We cooking fettuccine alfredo. We gonna tell y'all. We gonna show y'all how to do it when we done.
Yeah. So, bye guys. This is the finished product, y'all. This is the chicken alfredo. And we got the Cajun shrimp on the side. Ready, y'all. Ready to eat. These are the finishing products. I got Cajun shrimp on mine because Asia don't eat shrimp. We finna chill on the couch and watch Netflix. Hey y'all, we're at the beach, just chilling. So yeah, we went and got food, mucked around, did a little shopping. So now we just chilling on the beach. So we're gonna go get in the water in a little bit. So I'm gonna record y'all, bring y'all with us when we go. It looks so beautiful out here. One, two, three, 4.